let's take a look at ketones. Ketones are an organic group of compounds similar to aldehydes in that they also have the C double bonded O, the carbonyl group. But with ketones, that carbonyl group right there is surrounded by two more carbon groups, whereas in an aldehyde, one side has a hydrogen. Here we've got carbon groups on both sides. They may be the same or they could be different. Okay? So to name them, what we want to do first, we want to find the longest carbon chain. Okay? And here we have that carbonyl group in a cyclo compound. Okay, so we've got the ring. Okay, it's a 5-carbon ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-carbon ring. Okay. So that's cyclo for the ring. Pent. Okay. Pentane is what we would normally say, is that it is cyclopentane. But here we have the carbonyl, the double bonded oxygen, so making it a ketone. What that does is you get rid of the E and replace it with O-N-E. So we have cyclopentanone, and we have a methyl group coming off right here. Now the ketone functional group right there, that functional group gets the number 1 position, so the methyl is at the number 2 position, so it would be 2-methyl, a 2-methyl cyclopentanone, 2-methyl cyclopentanone. Now let's take a look at this one here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons, so we've got a hexane root. Now we need to check 1, 2, 3 if we number this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4 if we number left, right. So we want to go with the lowest number possible. So we're going to number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want the ketone to be the low number. So the ketone is in the number 3 position. Okay. And 6 is hexanone. Okay, so the O-N-E is representative of the ketone. Hexa is for the 6-carbon chain. 3 is for the position of the double bonded oxygen. Okay, 3-hexanone. Okay, and then our third sample here. Again, we need to number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So looks like 4 carbons are going to be our long chain. We need to number 1, 2, 3, 4. If we go left to right, that would put it in the number 3 position. We want it in the number 2, the lower position here. Okay, so 4 carbons is butane. Okay, we're going to change that to butanone. Put 2 for representative of where the ketone group is. And then we notice on 3 we have 2 methyl groups. So we're going to say 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone. 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone.